Hello kids, learn the fruits name with spellings. Let's start. Fruits, F-R-U-I-T-S, F-R-U-I-T-S, fruits. Apple, A-P-P-L-E, A-P-P-L-E, apple. Banana, B-A-N-A-N-A, banana, B-A-N-A-N-A, banana. Watermelon, W-A-T-E-R, water, M-E-L-O-N, watermelon, W-A-T-E-R-M-E-L-O-N, watermelon. Orange, O-R-A-N-G-E, orange, O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. Strawberry, S-T-R-A-W-B-E-R-R-Y, strawberry, S-T-R-A-W-B-E-R-R-Y, strawberry. Grapes, G-R-A-P-E-S, G-R-A-P-E-S, grapes. Peach, P-E-A-C-H, peach, P-E-A-C-H, peach. Apricot, A-P-R-I-C-O-T, A-P-R-I-C-O-T, apricot. Mango, kids, I like mango, it's so yummy. M-A-N-G-O, mango, M-A-N-G-O, mango. Kiwi, K-I-W-I, kiwi, K-I-W-I, kiwi. Blueberry, B-L-U-E-B-E-R-R-Y, blueberry, B-L-U-E-B-E-R-R-Y, blueberry. Cherry, C-H-E-R-R-Y, C-H-E-R-R-Y, cherry. Pomegranate, pomegranate, P-O-M-E-G-R-A-N-A-T-E, pomegranate, P-O-M-E-G-R-A-N-A-T-E, pomegranate. Pear, P-E-A-R, P-E-A-R, pear. Guava, G-U-A-V-A, guava, G-U-A-V-A, guava. Pineapple, P-I-N-E-A-P-P-L-E, pineapple, P-I-N-E-A-P-P-L-E, pineapple. Avocado, A-V-O-C-A-D-O, avocado, A-V-O-C-A-D-O, avocado. Thanks for watching.